Oh, I forgot that this was rolling. Hey, it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. I make videos in all things lifestyle on a budget, and I'm so excited because I got a TV stand finally. President's Day just passed, and you know what that means. Sales, of course. I was so excited to see over the weekend that there were some sales going on. Your girl loves sales because we are on that budget lifestyle, and there was a TV stand which just took me a really long time to figure out because I'm very indecisive. I want to get the colors right in here because I have a lot of different wood colors, but then I also have black accents. I finally found one that I believe I like, and it was very expensive in my eyes because I know that there's probably cheaper out there. But then I saw that there was a sale. I got it from Target. Target is awesome and has been, basically my apartment is becoming Target and Bed Bath & Beyond because I have a Bed Bath & Beyond membership, which gives me 20% off every single purchase and also free shipping. Like, if I could do a separate video, which maybe I will, on Bed Bath & Beyond, literally get you a Bed Bath & Beyond membership for the year. It's only $30 if you're moving and stuff like that, or you're constantly buying things for home decor. Like 20% off every single time. It's so awesome. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I have about 3 hours before I need to go to work, and I think that that should be enough for me to put together this TV stand. I'm very nervous because it was super heavy. You will see me literally struggling. But I am also really excited to get my TV off the floor. I also got a shoe organizer, which was long overdue. My shoes looked chaotic in the area where I keep my coats, and I finally got 2 shelves that fit. I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond. This one is like a bamboo set, so I'll show you guys that, and then we're gonna hop into putting together this TV stand. So this is what it looks like. 58-inch book match asymmetrical console in solid white, and you can see how there's like a little damage right there. That's lovely. And it says Team Lift, but I'm flying solo. Oh my God, there's so many parts. There are so many parts. I am not gonna be overwhelmed, but oh my God. Okay, so these are all the pieces, and it literally fits my entire apartment. Okay, this is really annoying. Something is horribly wrong, and I don't know what I'm supposed to do to fix it. I followed all of the signs, unless maybe I didn't. But like, do you see how it's not in line here? This was like my first indicator. Like, this is not in line. So I was like, oh, well, maybe that's like a different size shelf. I'm not sure. The numbers are supposed to be correct, but that doesn't fit. Just like something's wrong and I don't know how to fix it. So I have to go figure that out. I don't even know what to do. I need like a replacement board number 7. Like, how do I even figure that out? Okay. So it was backwards. I just switched it now and it like totally fits. So let me fix this. That was driving me insane. I was like, what the heck? They sent me the incorrect stuff. I had to flip this to the other side, but it's really hard to tell because there's only like numbers on one side. So like, how would I know? My next problem is that these aren't doing anything. Like, what is this? Is this the wrong side again? Okay, so after so many like random back and forths, I only have 9 minutes left. So I'm up to step 11 of 19. So I know that I'm not gonna get this done in time. I really wish they wouldn't like change the photos around because it totally made me think that I had to like go the opposite way and flip things around, and that was actually wrong. I should have just kept doing what I was doing. And this isn't hard. It's just like lining everything up is the tricky part. All right, so it is 12 o'clock and I did not achieve my goal of completing this it ends up being an hour and a half because I did have to eat. But I did finish putting the legs on, so the next step says to stand it up, so let's stand it up and not embarrass ourselves by breaking it. Okay, so this will be the unit. That was trying. It's not hard, but it's just confusing and all that kind of stuff, but I have to go and get ready for work, so I'm just gonna leave this. I'll probably put this to the side. Thank you so much for asking, but yes, I'm going to be leaving all these parts exactly where they are because I don't want to mess with anything. Hello, I am back. It is a new day and we're gonna finish this. I only have an hour and we're just gonna rock and roll. I'm just gonna get right into it, and I hope that I have a new TV stand in this hour. And yes, I'm just standing awkwardly so I can fit in the frame. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so this is wasting my time, and so I'm gonna stop because there's literally no point. There's two little holes here that I'm supposed to be able to drill, or I'm supposed to be able to use this screwdriver, and like it's going literally nowhere. Like I just keep spinning it and then trying to take it out, and I'm pressing like as hard as I can, and it's literally just coming back out. So this is such a saga. I just keep messing up. So door 10 has a K hinge and I put in the J hinge, so now I have to take it off. Oh my gosh. We are back at the scene of the crime. It is days later. I know, how is that even possible? But life happens, work happens, drama at the dentist involving 5 needles, none of which actually gave me the numbness that I needed for my teeth. That story is for another day because we are here to finish it up. It has literally been a couple days and I just want to finish this, have this TV stand ready to go. So where we last left off was that there are some pre-drilled holes but not drilled well enough, and these tiny little screws need to fit in here. I have an electric screwdriver, I believe. I don't know how to use it, but I'm going to try. Oh my god, my eyes look so... Is that just what it looks like when you don't have any makeup on? This is what I have. What is wrong with this? What am I missing? What does one do in this situation? Like, it won't work. I don't know how to get this on here. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this down, disinfect and all that, and just put it into place and figure out the doors another time. So there she is. It's so funny because it looks so small in the camera, but it's like, looks to me like huge in person. With those little holes and all that in the back, I'm probably going to move all of this on here so that it's not so like tangly looking over on the corner. Okay guys, so not gonna lie, it's been some time, but I just finished a workout. We're basically gonna turn this into a vlog, is it not? It's a vlog over the span of like 2 weeks now. The solution that I have is to put some command strips on the last piece to connect so that this magnetizes when it closes for the door. That's what I'm gonna do, but first I actually wanted to show you a package that I got from a brand called Public Goods. Public Goods is a brand that offers sustainable goods for super affordable. I'm talking like $4, $5. Basically, they just cut out the middleman and they're able to offer like super low prices. All of the products are clean ingredients. They have some vegan items, some non-vegan items. I got a variety of things which I'm excited to try out. I told them to basically just surprise me. So I got some gluten-free fusilli pasta, the garlic habanero. I am so excited to try this. Also got these banana chips that I want to try. They're garlic and herb. Any of my paleo, oh no, it's not paleo, it's paleo. And I was like, paleo? Any of my paleo friends out there, this will be great for you. This is a hand soap that I'm super excited to try. You can never have too much hand soap. Today is Sunday and Sunday is my cleaning day, so I'll be using this to clean down my counters and pretty much every inch of my apartment. And if you're interested in trying out, as always, I'd love to bring you guys a discount code. So if you're curious, you can get 15% off your first order using my discount code, which I'll have somewhere over here and also in the description box down below. All right, let's bring her home. I know some people were feeling like I was turning it the wrong way, but I kid you not, I'm doing it. It's not working. This is the last piece. This is the one that is going to have the doors basically magnetized to this, like this. As you can see, it's been wanting to work that way, but it can't. You're supposed to use like rubbing alcohol. Yeah, let me go do that. Let me go do this the proper way. So I put one like this, and then I'm gonna put another one here. I'm gonna let it sit like that for like a little bit, and then I'll come back. All right, here's the moment of truth. Okay, there we go. I forgot I had something. So that's it. We opened it, and it actually isn't that hard of a magnet. Yay! Ah. Okay, so here we are. We finally finished this TV stand. Not to be that person, but I almost wish that I got something a little bit thinner. I have about this much space between where the little feet for the TV is and the extra space on here. And I almost wish that it was just a hair thinner, because I do feel like the one thing that I didn't want was I didn't want the TV to be the focal point of the entire space. And I feel like I fell right into that trap. That's just how I feel right now. Again, I don't have any other furniture. I don't have, you know, massive decor around. Maybe I'll be able to fix it up or something like that. But the one thing was that I didn't want it to feel like this is the TV and everything's gonna focus on here. So that is something I'm gonna have to work on to fix. But I do kind of wish that maybe I got something a little bit thinner, like less depth. But overall, I do really like this piece. I feel like what I didn't like is how the instructions kind of flipped, and so it made me think that I was doing it backwards, and that's where I got tripped up a bit. I would say it's medium difficulty. I am just that person that always kind of runs into issues, so if you're like that, then you might be the same as me, but otherwise, I do feel like it was straightforward. I am pretty annoyed that the last part didn't work, which was the nails just would not go into the wood. I'm not sure why that's the case. Comment that down below if you are a whiz at this stuff and you know why that is the case. Even the pre-drilled holes were not doing anything. I drilled it over and over and over. I used a regular screwdriver and it did not work, so that was a bummer. Then I feel like the next steps is that I do kind of want a dining room table now, and I think it's time for the couch, just so that I can start figuring out like what we're gonna do with setting that up and where that's gonna go. That is my 2-week update of building this thing and building my shoe rack, which I love the shoe rack. I'm so happy with it. It cleaned up that whole area. I have a great space for my shoes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.